Welcome to day 6 of 7 days to a better you. Today, we're focusing on a practice that might seem simple, but holds the power to transform your mental and emotional well-being. Taking a short walk or meditating for just 5 minutes. These brief moments of mindfulness or movement can become the foundation of a more focused, calm, and intentional life. Mindfulness and movement, habits embraced by some of the most successful people in the world. Visionaries like Jeff Weiner says,
starting with getting a good night's sleep. When I wake up several times throughout the week, I'll work out. I'm gonna clear out some of the email I received overnight. I started a meditation practice several years ago. I try to do that on a daily basis, help get the kids ready for school, and then, head into work.
Paul McCartney says,
I remember one in particular when I'd been meditating for a little while, and I got to a really good place. And I remember the feeling was that I was a feather. I felt like I actually was a feather floating over a hot air pipe. That was just...
And Ariana Huffington says,
I really get it done.
Yep.
And for me, it's also something I can do during the day, on planes. And even if you do like just 10 minutes, it's just a reminder that underneath all our comings and goings, our successes and our failures, there is a deeper dimension to our lives.
Point 1. The science behind walking and meditation. Walking and meditation may seem like ordinary activities, but they're scientifically proven to deliver extraordinary benefits. When you take a short walk, your body releases endorphins, natural mood boosters that improve your outlook and help relieve stress. Walking increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, which enhances creativity and problem-solving skills. It's no wonder some of history's greatest thinkers, like Albert Einstein and Steve Jobs, used walking as a tool for brainstorming. Meditation, on the other hand, works at a neurological level. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body's fight-or-flight response. This helps to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and improves your ability to focus. Regular meditation has been linked to increased gray matter in the brain, enhancing memory, emotional regulation, and decision-making skills. By dedicating just 5 minutes today, you're creating space for mental clarity and emotional resilience, allowing yourself to reset and recharge for whatever lies ahead. Point 2. Emotional benefits of mindful practices. Walking and meditation are powerful tools for nurturing emotional well-being. When you take a mindful walk, especially outdoors, you allow yourself to reconnect with nature. The sound of birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, or even the feeling of the sun on your face can be deeply grounding. These moments provide clarity, helping you sort through racing thoughts or emotions that feel overwhelming. Meditation offers a unique opportunity to turn inward and listen to your inner voice. It's a chance to step back from the chaos of daily life, quiet the noise in your mind, and cultivate a sense of peace. Even a brief meditation session can help you let go of negative emotions, reduce anxiety, and feel more centered. Both practices remind us of the importance of balance. Life isn't just about achieving or doing, it's about being present and finding harmony within ourselves. Point 3. How to set up your practice. Creating a mindful routine for today's challenge is simple and adaptable to any schedule. If you choose a short walk, here's how to maximize the experience. Pick a peaceful route. Whether it's a nearby park, your backyard, or even a quiet hallway, find a space where you can walk undisturbed. Be intentional. Focus on each step, the rhythm of your movement, and your breath. Avoid distractions by putting your phone on silent or leaving it behind. Stay present. Notice the small details around you, the color of the sky, the texture of the ground, or the sounds of your environment. If you opt for meditation, follow these steps. Find a comfortable spot. Sit on a cushion, chair, or even lie down. Whatever helps you feel relaxed yet alert. Close your eyes and breathe. Take slow, deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Use a focus point. This could be a mantra like, I am calm and focused, or a mental image, such as a serene beach or mountain. Both practices require only 5 minutes, making them accessible no matter how busy your day might be. Point 4. Tips to maximize the benefits. To truly feel the impact of today's challenge, consider these tips. Combine walking and meditation. If you have the time, try starting with a short walk and transitioning into meditation. Walking clears your mind and prepares your body for stillness, amplifying the benefits of both practices. Consistency is key. Building this habit is about repetition. Whether it's in the morning, during a lunch break, or before bed, find a consistent time each day to incorporate mindfulness into your routine. Bring awareness to your practice. For walking, focus on sensory details, the sound of your footsteps, the feel of the breeze, or the scent of flowers. For meditation, notice how your breath feels or the steady beat of your heart. Set an intention. Before starting, decide what you want to get out of this moment. Perhaps it's relaxation, focus, or a sense of gratitude. Let this intention guide your practice. By fully immersing yourself, you'll experience deeper emotional and mental benefits that extend far beyond these 5 minutes. Point 5. The challenge for day 6. Now it's time to take action. Dedicate at least 5 minutes today to a mindful walk or meditation. Before starting, set a clear intention. Examples might include, I will use this walk to clear my mind and reconnect with my goals. I will meditate to let go of today's stress and feel more at peace. During the practice, stay present. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your steps or breath. Afterward, take a moment to reflect. How did this experience make you feel? Did you notice any shifts in your mood or focus? How can you make this a regular part of your life? Whether you walk, meditate, or combine both, this simple challenge can set the tone for a more mindful, balanced day. Congratulations on completing day 6 of 7 days to a better you. By dedicating just 5 minutes to walking or meditation, you've taken a step toward greater mindfulness, clarity, and inner peace. Remember, this isn't just a one-time practice. It's something you can carry with you long after this challenge ends. What did you choose today? A short walk or meditation? How did it make you feel? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us tomorrow for the final day of this journey. Let's finish strong. See you on day 7.